everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So today we're opening up the August Glossybox, and apparently this is their birthday month, so the box is supposed to be extra special. I've only seen one spoiler so far and it seems pretty good, so hopefully the rest of the box is good as well. Last month they kind of gave a little teaser, they didn't say what was coming in it, but they're saying that it's going to be even better than usual, so let's hope that is true. If you do not know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. It costs $21 per month. I, of course, will leave a link down below if you're interested. Yeah, but before we get unboxing, I also want to remind you, I'm sorry for those who watch all my videos, I keep reminding you guys, but I do have giveaways going on, so I want to make sure everyone knows before they end. I have my 6,000 subscriber giveaway that ends at the end of the month, and then I have a smaller giveaway that's in my collaboration video with Southern Yankee that ends on the 15th, so in about a week, so definitely enter those if you have not yet already. But let's get into the box. So Glossybox always comes in this outer packaging, or this is the outer packaging, and inside there usually is a pink box, so let's get that open. Oh my god, the box is even special this month for their birthday. So look, it looks like there's icing, or I don't know what you would consider that, it's reflective, and the whole top is like that. Usually it's just pink like this, and it says the birthday edition on it. Can you guys see that? So this is an extra special box. I always like the box they send them in because they are pretty sturdy and good quality, so you can repurpose them if you like to, but now I'm even more excited to see what's inside. So let's get started. Let's lift this top off. And then when I open it, this is what I see. And even the inside of the box is cute. So you can't see anything. There is a little note. It says, "We hope you loved your Glossybox. As a valued customer, we'd love to see your friends join the fun. With code GLOSSYTREAT20, treat your friends to 20% off their first monthly box." I will leave that down below so you guys can save some money if you're interested. So that is awesome. And then there's the pamphlet that always goes over everything, and then all of the products are wrapped up. So let's see what this looks like this month. So I'm trying not to look, but one side has a picture of all the items and then a description, and then over here there's a little note. It says, "Blow out the candles, Glossies. As we turn another year older, we are so happy to celebrate being glossy with all of you. Birthdays are the one day of the year when everything is about you, and our birthday month is no exception. Holding nothing back, we filled our monthly present to you with our favorite products that make us feel extra special. We want to share that magical day with everyone because without you, there would be no Glossybox. We hope you bring with your extra sparkle with our glittery nail polish, shine your brightest with our cleansing balm, and have a perfect glow with our shimmering highlighter. Now let's celebrate." So they gave us a little hint. And here's another sneak peek. I'm just trying not to look. So I will keep that out in front of me. And then let's get this unwrapped and open. So here is what I see after I take the tissue paper and string it off. So I'll start with the one spoiler that they released already before getting the box. And this is definitely full size. A lot of times it seems like with Glossybox you get more deluxe size samples. But this is a true soft hair mask. It's a softening mask. This is really big. It's 250 mLs or 8.5 fluid ounces. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. It's made with softening argan oil, it's sulfate and paraben free. It has a color guard complex, and it's produced in Sweden. And I think the brand is Maria Nila. It has the leaping bunny symbol on there. So this is what it looks like. Cute packaging. Let's see if there's a safety seal. So it is sealed. It is sealed. I said that word, didn't I? So let's see if we can get some more information on our sheet here. So this is the full size, and it is $30. So this is more than the value of the box, or the price of the box. I'm wearing a new liquid lipstick. Well, it's not new, but it's in my stash, which I just did the other day. And I don't know if I like it. I can feel it. I put gloss over it, and yeah, so if you see chunks on my lips, yeah, it's not working out for me. But anyway, so the mask is $30, and it says, "A hair mask that lives up to its name. This vegan-friendly hair revitalizer is the perfect product that's good for you and for the planet. Environmentally friendly and color protecting, Maria Nila is one of our favorite cruelty-free hair care brands. You should always be using a wide tooth comb when handling wet hair and comb from roots to end for complete saturation. Oh, I never do that. I should use a comb. I don't even know if I own like a real comb. But do you guys use combs in the shower with your hair masks? I definitely would like to know, but I'm excited to try this out. I kind of want to see if I can like get the smell of it. Let's see. So this is what it looks like when you open it. So it is full. Oh, I might have just gotten some on my nose. But it smells good. Did I get some on my nose? Oh, and Archer just walked in. Archer, you got from your nap, little baby? Hi. Alright, next up looks like it probably is another full-size item. This is the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. lip liner in rosewood. Awesome. I am happy to get a lip liner, and this is full size. It says the full size value is $29. So let's open this up. Yep, definitely full size. Here we go. And oh, this looks like it's a pretty color. It says red, but it looks more like a mauve pink. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I could have used this today. I can tell I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. It feels like nice and creamy. I love it. It's awesome. So let's read a little bit more about it. It says, like I already told you, the full size value is $29. So that, again, that's more than the price of the box. It says, have full definition of your lip thanks to this luxury lip liner by Karl Lagerfeld and, am I saying his last name right? I'm sorry if I'm not. And Model Co. A velvety smooth swipe of color gives your lips the fullest of everyone's attention in a vivacious red. Apply lipstick first, then liner. You can see exactly where the line to avoid fade rings around your lips. Oh, that's interesting. I usually use liner before lipstick. What do you guys do? I should try that out. Use lipstick first, then liner? Have I been doing it wrong this whole time? By the way, I love that they use like the shiny swigglies. This one definitely seems more like birthday themed. Alright, so here's the nail polish I kind of alluded to earlier. This is very glittery, oh my gosh. This is Nail Couture, I can't even really read it, Beverly Hills. Look how glittery it is, it's hard to read the packaging. I rarely do my own nails, I'll do my toes, but this is in the shade Bright Lights. This possibly may go into a future giveaway, I'm not sure, but this is by Lauren B. Beauty. This is $20. This is a full-size nail polish. It says, who said 7 free can't be sparkly? Not Lauren B. Beauty, that's for sure. Their polishes are the best of both worlds, ethical and luxurious. Bright Lights will be that extra oomph for any look, day or night. It says, apply the glitter nail polish onto the edge of a makeup sponge and dab it onto your nail. This creates an even and full application of the glitter. I'm like actually getting tips I've never heard of today from them. That's cool. Cause you know sometimes you get like tips from brands that like just tell you the directions pretty much. But using a beauty sponge to apply glitter nail polish, this stuff is like thick glitter. Can you guys tell? Sorry, I need a manicure so bad. I'm showing you nail polish and I have this like one finger that's just awful. Now let's move on to the next product. This is by Emma Hardy. This is Morning Light Cleansing Gel. It's a lightweight daily cleanser for all skin types. Purifies and helps balance oily skin, hydrates and moisturizes. And I'm guessing this is like the deluxe size. This is 15 ml and 0.5 fluid ounces. Wow, it says the featured size is 15 ml and the featured value is $44. So they're making it seem like this 15 ml thing is $44. This must be a good cleanser if it's cost that much. It says, for those that love the pink detox mask from June, you will love the cleansing gel from Emma Hardy. Rich, luxurious, packed with vitamin E and suitable for all skin types. No wonder this cleansing gel is a bestseller. And it says, tip, less is definitely more. Only a dime-sized amount of this cleansing gel should be enough for cleansing your entire face. This has got me intrigued. That's pricey. Let's move on to the next item. This is by MUB, I think is a brand. And it says True Glow Skin Illuminating Stick. And the full size is 4.5 grams. So this is a full size and this is $20. Well, they gave a lot of full size items and I think this is the last item. Yep, this is the last thing. So the packaging is really pretty. I like the colors. So, I never use stuff like this though, to be honest. I'm trying to like venture out of my comfort zone, but I'm not gonna swatch it just in case. Oh my god, this is so cute too. It says True Glow on it. And it has a cover, like a safety seal on it, which is good. It says, for the perfect glow up, we're in love with this highlighter from MUB Cosmetics, giving a perfect sun-kissed glow exactly where you need it. This illuminating stick is also cruelty-free and vegetarian-friendly, and as is any product from this innovative brand. Tip, remember to only highlight the areas where light naturally falls onto your face, like the top of your lips, cheekbones, and the bridge of your nose. Awesome. Okay, so I'm not going to take the seal off of this because I think I'm going to give this away. I've been doing a lot of organizing and cleaning lately, and I have some other items that I have in like a pile to give away aside from my current giveaways. So I'm going to have like a mini giveaway in this video because I'm really happy with the product. So let's go over what I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep the hair mask. I think this is awesome. It's full size. I'm almost done with my hair mask that I have in my shower now. I try and do that at least once a week. We have the Moringa Light Cleansing Gel. What I'm the most excited about is this lip liner because I think that color is so pretty. And the things that are going to be going in the giveaway are the Lauren B, the nail polish, and then the UB True Glow, the illuminating stick. So these both have a $20 value, and I will also throw in several other surprise items. I have a huge basket full of stuff to give away, so I'll pick a few things from there. I'll probably keep it beauty related. So super simple to enter. You just have to make sure you are a subscriber. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, and then leave a comment down below. It's really important to do this. When you leave a comment, I'm going to use a random comment generator so I can find some, pick the winner that way. And then I will make sure you follow the rules, that you are a subscriber. And then I will leave a comment under, or a reply under your comment letting you know you won. I will keep this open for just a week since this is a smaller giveaway, and all my giveaways are open international, just so you know. And this will be for everyone like ages 18 and up, or have your parents' permission if you're under 18. So I will leave all the directions down below if that is not clear. But let me think about what is a week from now. So like is it the 6th or the 7th? I don't even know. It's the 7th. So we'll have this end on the 14th, and I will let the winner know on the 15th, and I will pin their comment. So again, if that was confusing because I kind of just doing this on the spot, this giveaway will be open for a week. It is open internationally, and it is for my subscribers. So to enter to win this nail polish and this highlighter and several other items, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, but I think this is a fun way to give back to you guys, and I'm really happy with this box actually. This is good. I'm glad I stuck with Glossybox for a little bit longer. I have another 3 months with them, so 2 after this. So maybe I'll even keep it longer, but I think this is a good box because a lot of their boxes in the past have been more like smaller items, like deluxe size, but we got a lot of full-size products this month. And they're really great. I just, like I said, don't do my own nails, and I don't really use illuminating sticks, so that's why I'm giving back those items too, but I am very happy to use everything else. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and thank you as always for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!